Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and this is going to be a little time saver if you have a red dot pointer on your laser. I ran this ornament that we've been working on is 3.9 inches wide. The board I get that I make it out of is this alder, and it is 4 inches wide. And if you can see, there's very little room for missing the spot. So if you hold down the shift key, when you select that item, select that item, hold down the shift key, and then double click on the rectangle tool. It puts an outline around your item. And then, I don't know about all lasers, but in like an epilogue print driver, you can select just that rectangle and use your red dot pointer and make sure, because it's right on the edge of that wood, make sure that that box is going to fit on the wood with your red dot pointer. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.